Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide for the use of system exclusive traffic and how it makes you money online when used correct. If you're new here, my name is Ruben, aka the AI Kid, and I'm an adventure guide by nature but self-proclaimed freelance digital and affiliate marketer. I'm excited to share this strategy with you all today, so buckle up and fasten your seatbelts. What is system exclusive traffic? Before we dive into this strategy, let's first talk about what system exclusive traffic is. System exclusive traffic is a type of traffic that you can buy in bulk from a traffic provider. This traffic is usually high quality and targeted, which means that it's more likely to convert into sales or leads for your business. The reason why it's called exclusive is that your targeted audience is specifically modified to your needs, converting leads into sales and sales into profits. The first step in this strategy is finding a provider. There are many providers out there, but not all of them are created equal. You want to find a provider that has a good reputation, offers high quality traffic, and has competitive pricing. Here are some things to look for when choosing a provider. Check their reviews and testimonials from other customers. Look at their pricing and compare it to other providers. Therefore, I suggest you go with system exclusive traffic. All the customers' reviews and testimonials are happy, positive, excited, and highly recommend system exclusive traffic. They offer a range of standard packages starting at $55 for 100 clicks, that's 55 cents per click, and all the way to $2,000 for 5,000 clicks, that's 40 cents per click. They also offer set and forget packages starting at $860 for 2,000 clicks over the course of 30 days and all the way to $4,000 for 10,000 clicks over the course of 30 days. They guarantee a 10% traffic over delivery on all packages, as well a 30-day money back guarantee. Real-time stats, a tracking link will be provided for each campaign. This will allow you to follow the clicks provided in your campaign. Fast service. They do their best to get your campaign up and running as quickly as possible. They will also provide rapid responses to support inquiries. Once you are happy with the system exclusive traffic and it meets all your needs, it's time to move on to the next step. Choosing an offer to promote. This can be an affiliate offer, a CPA offer, or even your own product or service. The key is to choose an offer that's in a niche that you're familiar with and that has a high conversion rate. You can use tools like ClickBank, OfferVault, or MaxBounty to find offers in your niche. Setting up your landing page. Once you've chosen an offer, it's time to set up your landing page. Your landing page is where you'll send your traffic to, and it's where you'll try to convert them into sales or leads. Your landing page should be simple, clean, and focus on the benefits of your offer. Here are some tips for creating a high converting, fail-proof landing page. Use a clear and attention-grabbing headline. Highlight the benefits of your offer. Use social proof such as testimonials or reviews. Include a clear call to action button. Setting up your tracking and analytics. Before you start sending traffic to your landing page, it's important to set up your tracking and analytics. This will allow you to track your results and optimize your campaign for better performance. You can use tools like Google Analytics, ClickMagick, or Volume to track your traffic and conversions. Buying system exclusive traffic. Now that you've set up everything, it's time to buy your system exclusive traffic. Make sure to start with a small amount of traffic first to test your campaign and make sure everything is working properly. Once you've confirmed that your campaign is working, you can start buying more traffic in bulk. Optimizing your campaign. As you start getting traffic to your landing page, it's important to optimize your campaign for better performance. This means tweaking your landing page, your offer, and your targeting to improve your conversion rate. Here are some things to look at when optimizing your campaign. Test different headlines and call to actions. Try different offers or niches. Adjust your targeting to reach a more specific audience. Scaling your campaign. Once you've optimized your campaign and you're seeing positive results, it's time to scale up your traffic. This means buying more traffic and expanding your reach to new audiences. Here are some tips for scaling your campaign. Increase your traffic package gradually. Expand your targeting to new audiences. And that's it. I hope you guys found this information helpful. That's how system exclusive traffic is a money-making machine. Remember, this strategy takes time and effort to get right, but if you stick with it and keep optimizing your campaign, you can and will see great results. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Be safe, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video.